Over 3,000 species of snakes live around the world. Snakes play an important role in ecosystems as predators and prey, contributing to biodiversity and ecological balance. These snake species are divided into two parts: poisonous and non-poisonous. Today we will talk about 6 unique things about snakes. Number 6. Snakes' heat sensing. Snakes, especially pit vipers like rattlesnakes and pythons, have specialized heat-sensing pits between their eyes and nostrils. These pits detect infrared light, allowing snakes to sense the heat emitted by warm-blooded animals. This remarkable adaptation helps them find prey, navigate in low-light conditions, and strike with precision even in the dark. An example of how snakes use different senses to hunt effectively and survive in their environment. Number 5. Camouflage. Snakes often display camouflage through their colors and patterns, helping them blend seamlessly with their surroundings. This adaptation serves both defensive and predatory purposes. Camouflaged snakes can avoid detection by potential predators, while others use their camouflage to catch prey. Color patterns can mimic the environment, such as leaves, rocks, or grass, making it challenging for predators and prey to identify them. This ability to blend into their surroundings increases the snake's chances of survival in a variety of habitats. Number 4. Hinged Jaws. Snakes have hooked jaws that give them incredible flexibility and the ability to swallow prey larger than their heads. The lower jaws of snakes are not rigidly fixed and can be opened wide for large prey. The 2 lower jaws are connected by ligaments, enabling the snake to extend its mouth around the prey and gradually move it down the throat. This adaptation helps in the efficient consumption of food and is crucial for the snake's survival, especially when hunting prey of different sizes. Number 3. Clever ambush. Many snakes are adept at using clever camouflage strategies for hunting. They patiently lie in camouflage positions, often well hidden, waiting for their prey to come within striking distance. This camouflage technique minimizes the snake's energy expenditure compared to actively searching for prey. Some snakes, such as pythons, use a sit-and-wait approach, relying on their stealthy appearance to surprise unsuspecting prey. Others, such as vipers, may actively approach prey using subtle movements or specialized structures, such as the tail, then strike when the prey is within reach. This cunning hunting tactic demonstrates the adaptability and efficiency of snakes in catching their prey. Number 2. Venomous bites. Venomous snakes produce and inject venom through specialized fangs when they bite. Venom serves a variety of purposes, including subduing prey and defense against threats. Different species of snakes have different venoms, which have different effects on their victims. Some toxins primarily damage local tissues, while others can have systemic effects, affecting organs and bodily functions. Venomous snakes include species such as cobras, vipers, mambas, and rattlesnakes. Seeking immediate medical attention if bitten by a venomous snake is imperative, as some bites can be life-threatening. Number 1. Snake scales. Snakes have scales that cover their bodies. The scales provide a protective layer that helps protect snakes from injury and external elements. The scales are smooth and overlapping and aid the snake's movement by reducing friction against the surface. Overall, scales play a critical role in snakes' adaptation, survival, and functioning in their habitats.